Hey, what's up guys, it's me Tech Jake, and if you're looking to take your movie nights anywhere, with a big screen and small footprint, then you're gonna want to check this out. This is the X2025 Plus 150 portable projector, and it's made to turn any surface into a full-blown cinematic experience. And yeah, there's a limited time discount, so if you're interested, make sure to hit the link in the description below. So this little beast can project up to 150 inches, which is crazy for how compact it is. Whether you're watching from your phone, tablet, or laptop, this projector has you covered. And check this out, it even has an auto-rotate screen, so if you move it or switch formats, it automatically adjusts. No more fiddling with settings. It's super lightweight and fits in a backpack or carry-on, ideal for travelers or anyone who loves a spontaneous movie night in the backyard. It puts out 500 lumens, which gives you a clear and vibrant picture, even in low-light environments. And with its 100% offset design, the image appears directly above the lens. That means no tilting, no weird angles, just clean, centered visuals, every time. Now let's talk about portability. The built-in rechargeable battery gives you enough juice to finish a full-length movie without plugging in. And yes, it supports both USB-C and standard charging, so you're covered either way. And if you love switching between portrait videos and widescreen movies, it handles that smoothly too. The auto-detect orientation takes care of it all, smart and super convenient. Built-in dual stereo speakers give you rich and clear sound, but if you want more bass or external audio, you can connect via Bluetooth or wired audio jack. Connectivity? You've got it. HDMI and USB support let you plug in laptops, game consoles, USB drives, or streaming devices. You can even mirror your smartphone with the right adapter or wireless casting tool. The interface is super simple, true plug-and-play. And with Keystone correction, your image stays square even when your setup isn't perfect. Also, it runs quietly, so no annoying fan noise during your movie. Need more control? Just mount it on a tripod for angle flexibility and use the remote to adjust volume or settings from your couch. So, here's the deal. The X2025 Plus 150 portable projector is compact, smart, and seriously capable. Let's run it back. 150-inch screen size. Rotate screen. 500 lumens brightness. Rechargeable battery. Built-in stereo speakers. HDMI plus USB connectivity. Smartphone mirroring. Keystone correction. Tripod compatibility. Whether it's a movie night at home, a presentation on the go, or just kicking back at the park, this thing delivers. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you're ready to grab the X2025 Plus 150 portable projector at a limited time discounted price, check out the link in the description. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech content coming your way. I'm Tech Jake, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.